So, but our goal, as someone asked, our goal is Prem Seva. We want the Prem Seva of Radha and Govinda, and more specifically Radharani. It's called Radha Dasyam. To become a Dasya of Radha, or to become her servant. This is one of the main teachings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this Manjari Bhav, Braj Bhakti. So this is what Raghava Pandit's service is being described by Lord Chaitanya himself as Prem Seva. Pavitra Prema Seva Jagat Jiniya. And this is pure. This service and love, it conquers the whole world. Tabe yara nari kela samskara karaila parama pavitra kari bhoga lagaila. Thereafter Raghava Pandit had other coconuts gathered, cleansed and clipped, and with great attention he offered them to the deity to eat. Parama pavitra kari. So after they were cleaned and cut and prepared, Parama pavitra, with the topmost cleanliness, he was very sure to keep, it says, with great attention to keep them pure. Because pavitra means pure. This is the word for word, based on the Bengali words of Mahaprabhu. And the translation comes out, with great attention he offered them to the deity. See, Prabhupada, as I've been mentioning, Prabhupada very much summarized the translation when he put it in English. Because he says, with great attention. But the actual Bengali, he's saying, with great attention to keep them pure. Parama pavitra. You can also say he did this act, he offered these coconuts with the topmost purity, in the topmost purity, and the most pure fashion that he could. In other words, he made sure that no one touched the ceiling or anything like this. He matta kala amra naranga kantala jaha jaha duragrame shuniyache bhala. In this way, from distant villages, Raghava Pandit collects excellent bananas, mangoes, oranges, jackfruits, and whatever other first-class fruits he has heard about. So in this way means in the same way that he collected coconuts from 20 miles away, he would also go 20 miles away to collect mangoes, oranges, jackfruits, and any other first-class fruits he heard about. So Lord Chaitanya is telling these things for us to consider. These are Shastric statements. These are shlokas from Shastra. And Lord Chaitanya considers it's important. Everyone should hear this. Because in the beginning he says, Shunya sablog. He says, right? He said sabjana. Shunya sabjana. He says, all the people, everyone, should hear about Raghava Pandit. So he's only saying a few sentences. He could speak for hours, but he's speaking a group, 5, 10, maybe 15 sentences about him, and he's mentioning key points: his cleanliness, his strong attachment to cleanliness and serving his deity, his strong attachment to punctuality, and his strong attachment to working hard and taking all kinds of personal hardships to please the deity, walking 20 miles away to get the mango and walking 20 miles back, walking 10 hours just to buy some good first-class fruits for the deities.